Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. How have you been? Few days back I attended my daughter's class meeting where the teacher shared a very beautiful story. I tracked it down and found that it is from one of the famous newspapers blog post. The link is in the description. So here goes the snippets of this story. Two little seeds were sown in a fertilized soil. The first seed was super excited. He said that let me push my roots down in the ground and let it grow as far as it can go. And let my sprouts push the earth crust and feel the sunlight and the morning dews. On the other side, the other little seed kept thinking, oh, what will I grow in the darkness of the soil? What will I hit? Will I hurt myself? What if I grow my sprouts above the earth crust and some snail comes and eat me? Or worse, what if a child comes and plucks me out? The first seed kept thinking and kept growing. The other seed kept thinking and kept waiting for the best time and the safest time to grow. In few days, the first seed grew into a beautiful plant. One day, a hen was running around the same farm, looking for seeds to eat. The second seed was eaten by the hen, who was still waiting for a safe time to grow. As the writer suggests, the human entities are no different. Our heart and soul is just like the fertile soil. It's our choice what we choose to grow. Fear, love, hope, kindness, courage. It's all up to us. We cannot wait for a friendly environment. We cannot wait for a perfect environment. It's a beautiful story and it hit me really hard. It made me think, don't we want everything to work perfect? Don't we wait for a perfect time to start something? I always wanted to start painting regularly. I was waiting for a perfect painting space, room. I chucked the idea, took my daughter's study table, added a craft paper, and started painting. Life is never perfect. Time is never perfect. Just as they say, to build a beautiful garden, you have to pluck the weeds. Slowly, every day, one by one, the weeds will grow again and again. The one who maintains the garden plucking the weeds has the most beautiful garden. Life will throw different problems, different challenges, and we have to overcome. Small actions seeing what works, what doesn't work, having a heart full of gratitude, not only in times of sorrow, but also in times of happiness. I'm just trying to build this small little habit of mine. I've dedicated an entire page in my daily journal to share my daily gratitude with myself. My daughter asked me, "What does this little gratitude journal does to you? Why do you even add that?" Well, a gratitude is a very powerful emotion. You make your mind focus towards all the positives that's there in your life. It helps you to focus on the powers that you are surrounded with. All good, happy energies. And you might have noticed when you're happy, you're able to do more work. You're able to accomplish more. And when you're sad, as if all the energies are withdrawn from you. So it's a simple thing to surround yourself with positive energies in your life. And slowly and steadily, you start feeling its power. This was my simple way to make her understand the importance of daily gratitude. Well, this knowledge is way more deeper than we all know. There have been several research papers about this. I'll link few in the description for you guys to read. For me, I'm one person who always used to wait for a perfect time. Right opportunities, right environment. Only then you can expect the right outcome. And art being one of them. I have slowly started painting on a regular basis, and I've started seeing a little change. And with this, so much of painting and hours of working, I was very hungry. I decided to cook something really delicious and quick. I decided to make some spiced applesauce and quick and easy thick Greek yogurt. Well, the applesauce turned out to be very delicious. The Greek yogurt takes its own sweet time and there is no quick way. At least I have not found one. But this combo is just to die for.
We all long for Viva la Vida. Around the corner I'll meet ya, a bit lighter and freer. I'm so happy to see ya. And the air fills up my lungs and it tickles. Oh, what a joyful feeling. I think I'm gonna stay here under all these rays and soak up the sun. Ooh.